What's at stake here?
Well, Belle, the whole point of this Brexit process is that it's chucked up all these questions and conundrums we hadn't really thought about before, not least of all because this is a process that no country has ever gone through before. And one of those questions is when it comes to Article 50, that is the protocol under which a country can exit the European Union. Can they unilaterally decide to withdraw from it if they want to? Now, that is the legal limbo that Britain in some ways find itself in, or at least that is the argument made by some Scottish MEPs who've taken this court case to the European Court of Justice. The arguments were heard, Belle, last week in the court here in Luxembourg. Essentially, they argued that it is not legally clear whether, for example, the United Kingdom could just decide tomorrow or in a couple of months' time to end the Brexit process, to withdraw from Article 50. Now, surprisingly, the European Union and the UK seem to be on the same side on this. They argue that a country should not be allowed to do that, not least of all because Britain argues it is purely hypothetical, that the UK government does not intend to withdraw from the Article 50 process. And as for the European Union, we heard from their legal teams, from the Commission and Council, suggesting that this could prompt chaos in future, that countries could just decide to withdraw from the process at any stage, and that would set a very bad precedent. At the moment, they argue it should be up to, yes, the country involved, but it should also have the unanimous backing of the other 27 EU countries.
And Darren, how far might this go? Is today's judgment meant to be final?
It's not final. It is the legal advice, Belle, of the Advocate General of the European Court of Justice. Now, it must be said that in the vast majority of cases, whatever his legal opinion is, tends to be followed by the European Court of Justice. So we do expect this to be a significant announcement today, though it is not the final ruling. We're expecting that in the coming weeks. Whether that will happen before next Tuesday votes, because this could well have an impact, is yet to be seen. But irrespective of that, whatever the decision is today, I think that will play heavily on MPs' minds in the next week or so.